Hello, so I have also ran my ancestry kit through a site called genesisgedmatch.com, and this is the results that I get of what I am. So I'm only going to go through the ones that have the highest percentage, which is the steppe, Caucasian, Northeast European, Neolithic. So steppe is a component which was sourced from ancient genome of European Bronze Age pastoralists. It roughly approximates levels of ancient North Eurasian hunter-gatherers heritage, which was subsequently shown to have an influence in later Eastern hunter-gatherers and to have spread into Europe via an incursion of steppe herders beginning at 4,500 years ago. Caucasian, a major component of ancestry of modern inhabitants of Caucasus, Iran, and northern India. It was derived from genomes of Mesolithic Caucasian hunters, gatherers. A major ancestral component linked to CHG was carried west and east by migrating herders from the Eurasian steppe. Northeast European, a fancy moniker for a dominant type of ancestry in northeastern Europe based on older type of ancestry. WHG, West European hunter-gatherer. Today this type of ancestry peaks in the Baltic region and Scandinavia. Neolithic, a component modeled on genomes of first Neolithic farmers of Anatolia, West Asia. These farmers from West Asia migrated to Europe during the Neolithic and carried this component with them. And there's also one that is a small percentage, but it's Near East, a component harbored and later carried by ancient populations of Near East. In our time, it reaches the maximum among Bedouins and Saudi Arabians. The component seems to carry an excess of Eurasian basal component relative to Neolithic component. So yeah, this gives you a little broader spectrum of what you are. It's a GEDmatch, and it requires your kit number to go through this huge list, and when you pick which group you want, then at the bottom of the screen there is an area where you have to enter your kit number. So I have an area that I can find out if my parents are related. Okay, so it's going to measure all the centimorgans, and it says that there is no indication that your parents are related, so that's good. So there's also a section where you can put in your kit number again, and it's going to actually give you the emails of each one of the people that are on your ancestry. So I put in my kit number, gives me a whole bunch of email addresses, their kit numbers, their names, and how much percentages we are related. So I have a person at the top. Basically, it tells me whether or not they're female and male. This one here, we share the most DNA. I'm gonna see if that's my cousin or if it's somebody new. So each one of these are from all of the DNA kits that have been sent in from all different sites like Heritage, 23andMe, like all the different ones, Migration. It'll basically show me more information than Ancestry could.